Start your race slow and easy. It's very tempting to run faster than your regular race. Okay to take walking breaks. It lowers your HR and helps your muscles to recover.
Hi friends, and hi all you runners out there. So all of us are ready, all of us are set, isn't it? For the big day, for the grand day. For India's premier running event, the Tata Mumbai Marathon TMM 2023. Friends, I sincerely believe all of us, every runner out there, each one of you has tried his and her best in the given time, available resources to prepare as well as you can, to train as hard as you can. And now at this last moment, just before race day, it's always advisable. बड़ों ने कहा है कि अपने seniors का सुनना चाहिए. You should listen to your seniors. And the seniors who have run the distance, who have seen it all, who have done it all. Listen to the champions. Hello and welcome to Champions Speak, a TMM special. I am Rajeev Bhardwaj, and friends, with me is Guinness record holder, elite runner, Kranti Salvi ji. Hi Kranti ji.
Hi Rajiv.
Kranti ji, what are the 5 most important things you would like to tell all the runners out there who are participating in different categories, a full marathon, a half or a 10K at TMM 2023?
Thanks for this initiative. While we get overwhelmed with so many points about running the marathon, that every point seems very important to a runner. But here are some 5 most important things I would like to share with you for the race day. The first one is reaching the venue at least 30 minutes before the flag of time. It's quite a challenge to reach early, and this helps you to settle in your zone, find the loose and use them, and warm up and find the way to your starting wave. The second one is start your race slow and easy. It's very tempting to run faster than your regular race pace with the spirit and excitement, and plus the fresh legs from taper. So please control and run slower. Hydration, nutrition and aid station is the third one. With the AIMS gold label, TMM offers you plenty of them en route, so please utilize them. The fourth one is it's okay to take walking breaks. It lowers your HR and helps your muscles to recover, and it helps you to have your enjoyable race experience, so please do walk. And the last one is smile, smile and smile. Smile with gratitude to the people cheering you, the volunteers, the race crews. They have equally worked hard to have you the better race experience and make your run a joyful one. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much Kranti ji for your words of wisdom. And friends, let us remember these 5 mantras before we hit the start line of TMM 2023. It's the time to have faith on our abilities, have faith on ourselves. It's the urge to stay healthy. It's the passion for running which has brought you, me and all the runners at the start line of TMM 2023. So let us all, friends, let us all go out and express ourselves and enjoy our runs. All the best.